Welcome to the video introducing our First Principles of Astrophotography series.
The series is based on our book by the same name, which is linked in the description below.
The purpose of the book and the series is to give beginning and experienced astrophotographers the scientific background needed to produce beautiful astrophotos.
That's what we want. I'm Boyd Edwards.
And I'm Ren Edwards.
Let's talk sensor sensibility.
Here are some of the questions that we address in the series.
We can sometimes get half arc second guiding with our equipment, but how big is an arc second anyway?
Why is field rotation problematic for altitude azimuth mounts?
Which celestial objects are well framed through my equipment?
Which celestial objects are well placed in the sky at my latitude, and at what time of year are these objects well placed in the night sky?
Where does the pixel scale equation come from?
Why do stars that appear as pinpoints of lights in the sky occupy disks of varying sizes in astrophotographs?
Great question. When a photon is detected by a sensor, does the sensor know the wavelength of the photon?
And how does the midtone transfer function stretch work? What does a histogram mean?
What is meant by a well-sampled image? And how does lucky imaging work?
What are the physical origins of spectroscopic lines in emission nebulae?
This video series is based on first principles of astrophotography that are written in plain language and are numbered for easy reference. For example, here's the first of the first principles, a principle about principles.
That was a mouthful.
Yeah, so we'll always label these in this beautiful purple color, and yeah, so we're pretty proud of our principles. We have good principles.
It's good principles. What physics principle is demonstrated when cookies drop to the floor?
The impulse momentum theorem.
No. It's Fig Newton's law of gravitation.
Yay! For more mathematical detail, analysis, and discussions, see our book, which is linked in the description below. Each video in this series summarizes one section of the book.
Thanks for watching.
And we'll see you next time.